So, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Mi 11T Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. Firstly, go to Play Store and search for battery sound notification app. Install this app. Open it, tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Now select sound source.
Disconnected.
Name your function, give it description and tap this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.